Okay, we're going to talk about compounding. It's something kind of behind the scenes that people focus on interest rates and they may not understand compounding with mortgages. So, of course, I'm going to talk to Jeff, mortgage expert, 26 years. 26?
28.
Oh my goodness,
Who's counting?
28 years.
Oh God,
He's
makes
an
me sound so
expert.
old, it's
Yeah,
awful.
He's an expert. Okay, so inform us as simply as you can about what buyers should be aware of when they're looking at mortgages and compounding.
It's a great question. It's extremely misunderstood. So interest on mortgages is compounded. In fixed rates, it tends to be compounded semi-annually, so every 6 months. So there's a difference between effective. What is my actual rate? And what is the effective rate due to the compounding frequency? So fixed rate mortgages compounded semi-annually twice a year. That's pretty common across the board. Now that interest rates are coming down, variable rates are becoming way more popular, and they're an interesting animal. So some variable rates are compounded semi-annually, so same as fixed. The majority of them are compounded monthly, so every 30 days. And there are some institutions, one in particular that I won't mention, but they compound to the payment frequency. So if the bank convinced you that it's a great idea to pay weekly, like every 7 days, if you had a mortgage product with them, even though you've got a deep discount, on paper it looks really good, but they're compounding it every 7 days. So by the time you take the effect of the compounding, that deep discount actually might shrink significantly.
Wow.
And then all of a sudden it doesn't look as good as the one that isn't as shiny and as pretty,
right,
but it's compounded semi-annually.
Okay.
So I always say if it looks shiny and new, cars for example, lift up the hood. Does it have a new engine underneath, or is there a bigger story once you lift the hood up and have a look underneath? So to keep it simple, there's more to it than you see at first glance. Ask an expert and find out how it impacts you.